Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to Long Range Weather Forecast discussion for March 25th through April 6th. I hope the computer cooperates today because I have a lot to go over. First, we're going to talk about the impending possible snowstorm along the East Coast, and models are in closer agreement on the potential and exceptionally deep storm to develop off the East Coast Tuesday and Wednesday. And along with this, the East can expect unseasonably cold temperatures in the wake of this system. Thereafter, expect an amplified and moderately progressive Pacific flow across the nation, resulting in typical spring weather for most of the nation. Now, the spread is decreasing on this system, and I want to go over some models here with you first. Okay, and it's already not cooperating. Okay, this is the GFS, and we go out. This is for Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Then we're here at 2 a.m. Tuesday. Then we're at 8 a.m. Tuesday, 78 hours out. And I think you can start to see down the bottom of the screen, the beginning of the low. This 78 hours is 2 p.m. Tuesday, and then here we are at 8 p.m. Tuesday, and there's precipitation falling. Look at the band of heavy precipitation that is occurring to the north of the 996 system. That's the GFS. And then we go to 2 a.m. Wednesday, and the storm is really cranking up. And so that's the GFS. This is now, we're going to look at the Canadian. We go to 48 hours. This is on Monday. We're going to go into Tuesday now. Tuesday at 2 a.m. Then we're going to skip over here to 78 hours on Tuesday. And I don't know if you can see it, but it's a 1004 millibar. It's right below where the screen cuts off. And then we go to 84 hours. And you can see a 988 down the bottom of the right-hand corner. The storm system, this is at 8 p.m. Tuesday. And then we go to early, and it's 968. This thing really, really good. And like all the models are now converging on an area just east of the 40 degrees north latitude, 7 degrees west longitude. Now, the one thing I want to know, the Zero Z Canadian depicts a further westward. The UK Met is in considerable minority with the 6 other members of the GEFS and the European and the CMC ensembles package combined and depict the track to the west, just slightly to the west. But this system is forecast now. This is a little different. Forecast now to be a very intense storm. And this is different from the other storms that we had the last couple storms where they're coming from the west. This is composed of energy coming down from northern Canada and also along the east coast. And I'm going to go to that right now. So this is where we're energy is supposed to be. It's going to converge down here, move southeast, and merge with this low here, and then track fairly close to, like I said, the 40 degrees north latitude, 7 degrees west longitude. And this, along with temperatures now, along with the snow cover, we're going to have temperatures of about 10 to 20 degrees below normal. And the rapidly deepening storm off the East Coast will support energy aloft and bring some snow to the area of Central Appalachians into New England, along with very strong winds. Now, I want to keep in mind that a small difference in the storm's track will have a significant impact on the amount of snow and duration of winds. Okay, so that's very important, and it's a shift of about less than 100 miles. Okay, so now elsewhere across the nation, we're going to go. That's it for that now. But elsewhere across the nation, oh, forgot one other thing. I want to show you this. This is what is called, if it'll come up. This is the sensitivity ensembles analysis. So we're going to look at the European. We're going to see if I can get this to load. Oh, all right. I just lost that. Okay, I knew something was going to happen, and it did. Okay, elsewhere across the nation, a trough in the East Pacific will move eastward and spread a broad area of moisture across the west and then further eastward by the weekend into the east. Now, we're going to look at the period for March 28th to April 1st. Okay, we're going to go from March 28th. And little change is little change in the thinking with the system. And as you can see here, that there's a broad trough across much of the east central U.S. And here's our trough that's going to approach the East Coast. Now, as we go further out, this is the 29th, 30th, 31st. I'm going to go all the way to April 1st. You can see like a change is starting to occur. We have our trough here approaching the west coast. Our trough here that was in the east begins to lift out to the north, and we have a broad area of high pressure at above normal heights, almost like a zonal flow for this region. That's the GFS. Now we're going to look at the GFS ensembles. And you can see that it has near to below normal heights across much of the nation. And now the European, pretty much the same thing. And now the European ensembles. And for some reason, the models aren't available further out more than the 30th. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting sometime today, it'll come up. Above normal temperatures for this region and below normal temperatures for much of the northern U.S. For precipitation, I'm forecasting below normal precipitation here and above normal precipitation across the northern U.S. and the western states. Okay, so now we're going to look at the period for April 2nd to the 6th. Excuse me. We're going to go now, slide this over like we always do and try not to cut off the west. Here we are at the 2nd. And you can see GFS has above normal heights here, below normal heights for this region here. The models are pretty much in agreement with this. Then we go out to the 3rd. This is the 4th. This is GFS. GFS ensembles. And the European ensembles don't go out that far. So generally indicating... Whoops. What happened? It just went out and... So what it comes down to is below normal heights here with a trough and above normal heights here in the east. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures for this region, above normal temperatures here, and for precipitation, calling for little change in the precipitation anomalies from the previous period, except for the reduction of the below normal precipitation here. So that's all for now, and stay safe, and thank you for coming to Long Range Weather Forecast Discussion, Jim Lundy's WeatherWX.com, and have a good day.